And we are live. Wala na. Tanis na.
First game, first match, UP against LaSalle. First position of UE. Nice play ball. Oh, short. Now Fernandez. To La Figuera. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Good Camus. First basket, first shot, 3-point shot by Camus. Javier. Too strong. Rebound on the white shirt. Nice stop downside. It's green ball, green ball. Oh, red ball. Nice fake. In and out. Javier again, escape. Yo-yo move, short. Now Camus La Figuera all the way, all along La Figuera, yes on La Figuera. Now 5-0. A 5-0 run coming from LaSalle. Air ball, nice.
In and out. Rebound na sugitan.
Camus. Foul.
Ipa-advance ang isa doon.
Foul number 11.
Oh, 1-2 depenso. 1-2.
Steal by Javier. Sugitan, 14 to shoot, the shot. Camus. Tap. Umale. Now 7-0. 7-0 run by LaSalle. Out short again. 10 to shoot. 3-second violation on UE. Steelers score now 7-0.
Pinsan yung tres, oh.
Now Fernandez, back to La Figuera. La Figuera, stop, pull on top, yes on La Figuera. 9-0.
Butas!
Traveling, very shoot traveling. Score number again by UE. Timeout on UE.
Huwag masyadong magpagod. Lima lang tayo.
We are live. It's 9-0. 9-point lead on LaSalle. Inbounding Sugitan to La Figuera. Now Fernandez. Fernandez drives and step is still 14 to shoot, 14. It's all LaSalle ball. It's 9-0. Our next game. University of Iloilo against FU. La Figuera. Vamos again. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Camus! Oh! Short again! Camus! Now, La Figuera. Fernandez. Too strong. Rebound by Javier.
Easy lang,
In
easy.
6 minutes, 10 seconds. Javier. All alone again. Javier Cup. Sugitan. La Peguera. La Peguera. 14-0. It's a 14-0 run by Lasal. Still again by Lasal. It's La Peguera. 1-1, La Peguera. Yes on La Peguera. 16 against 0. It's all Lasal. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Oh! Hook shot out by Javier. Now 62. First game, first quarter. It's Lasal versus UE.
Naghanta. Box!
Umali. And to shoot. Umali again. Foul. Foul on number 25. Second team foul on UE.
Taw-tawa na!
Bang! La Peguera. 92.
Parap!
Now Javier. Drive, Javier. Post to post, short. Rebound to the Church. Again in and out. Rebound on Sugitan. It's 3-on-3. Sugitan. Erperay. Sugitan. 21-2. It's 19 point lead on Lasal. Again in and out. Top. Javier. Short. Now Sugitan. It's 2-on-1. Camo stop up. Looking for Sugitan. Sugitan. To La Peguera. La Peguera. Drive. Nice pass to Bishop. And to shoot. Five. Short.
Ulit, sige! Idol, latanin mo na, idol!
23-2.
Hirap na, 20!
Three minutes and 20 seconds. Foul on number 10, Numali. First on Numali, first team foul, Lasal. Now 3-23. 20-point lead on Lasal. It's 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Steal. Nice move. Yes, now 5-23. 3 minutes. Sugitan, airball, foul. Foul on number 4. Ortiz. 13 foul on the UE. (24 to 5), 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 74, foul on number 74. (25 to 5), back to 20-point lead on Lasal. It's 2 minutes and 40 seconds, first quarter. First game, UAAP. Wow! What a great move! Now 7:25. Sugitan again. Sugitan short. Now it's 1-on-3. Coast to coast. Drive. Side step drive. Left-handed drive. Too strong. Rebound on the shot again. Fake. 2 minutes and 15. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound by top by Richard. Foul. Foul again on number 10 on Umali. Second personal foul against Umali. Second team foul on Lasal. Now Javier, hook, too strong, rebound on Sugitan. Tap again Javier, 14 assists, second 14. Now Sugitan on, the Red Shirts. Yes, now 9:25. 1 minute and 49 seconds. It's 14-point lead on Lasal. Now, La Figuera. Pass to Camos. Stop. Short. Rebound on UE. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Time out.
Yes, time out. On Lasal. Now 25-11. It's 14-point lead on Lasal.
Focus tayo. Dito lang tayo. Huwag tayo magpadali. Lang tayo. Focus tayo. Wala.
Yung may huli na kasot, ano pa naman? Potense.
Yo ba?
Hindi, ang tinan mo, ang lilit pa, asin.
This is our first game. First match of our UAP Season 4 may basketballista. It's Lasal against UE. Now Fernandez kay drive. Fernandez yung pass to Sugitan, open jump. Bang! On Sugitan, now 27-11. Back to 16-point lead on Lasal. 1 minute. Now Javier. Foul. Short foul. Foul on Camus. 13 foul on Lasal. First personal foul against Camus. 53 seconds.
Wala pa. Ay, sino ba ba? Wala pa.
12-27. It's 15-point lead on Lasal. Now 13-27, 14-point lead on Lasal. And we are live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. La Figuera, nice twirl. La Figuera, hook. Yes, on La Figuera. 35 seconds. In and out. 25 seconds.
Naglaro pala. Galing ko po dito.
Now La Figuera. 15 seconds. Fernandez.
Kapit!
Bang! Oh, La Figuera. 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Last shot. 5 seconds. Done.
It's 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Done. Labas si Paz. Tira. 3-pointer zone. Nasa loob niyo lahat.
Black.
Yes.
And now for first quarter score, it's 32 against 13. All by Lasal. Second quarter, that is second quarter. Lasal, second quarter. Second quarter. Lasal ball, Lasal. La Figuera. Reganon. Too strong. Block. Now, Malajos in the ball game. The captain, Malajos. Nice pass. Whoa! One service pass coming from you. It's 15 to 32. Back to 17 point lead on Lasal. It's 9 minutes and 30 seconds. La Peguera. Looking for Reganon. La Peguera. Camus. Camus puts that. Yes on Camus. 34 against 15. Back to 19 point lead on Lasal.
Brigado. Brigado.
Whoa! It's 17 to 34. It's 9 minutes. And our next match, next game for our UAP, it's Iloilo versus FU. Black, Mabados. Brigado. Still by Simpaco. Simpaco to La Peguera. Back to Simpaco. Simpaco drive. Simpaco, nice pass. Ganon. In and out again. La Peguera. Top. Simpaco. Back to La Peguera. 40 to shoot. La Peguera. Yes, on La Peguera. 36 against 17. It's 19 point lead back to Lasal. It's 8 minutes. And 10 seconds. Malajos. Drive. Top by Camus. It's Sugitan to Camus. Sugitan back to Sugitan. Nice fake. Time out on Lasal. It's all on Lasal. It's 36 against 17. UE ball, UE. Turnover against Lasal. Again, terasa tepi si Paco, Reganon. Reganon, nice pass. Oh, what about Reganon? It's 38 against 17. What a blind pass from the captain, Reganon. New shoes, new smile, by Reganon. Rushman. Tumalajos. Pass outside, nice pass. Again, in and out, top. Now, Camus, sitting a play. Now, Camus says, relax, Camus. As La Peguera. Camus again, stop, pop, outside. Simpaco, 10 to shoot. Short. Foul. Foul on number 13 on Camus. First team foul Lasal. Second personal foul against Camus. In 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Whoa! An easy jumper by number 19. Up you now 38. 19. Now Reganon. Violation by Reganon. It's turnover on Lasal, the captain. It's 6 minutes and 10. 38 to 19. Malajos. 14 to shoot. What is that this pass? Now 21 against the 38. Nice pass coming, Rushman. Back to 17 point lead on Lasal. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. And still we're live. Still again by Malajos. Now 2-1. Wow! Short. Now Simpaco. Reganon. Back to Simpaco. Camus. In and out. Takma! Nice defense, nice box out from Malajos. Now Malajos, it's 4 on 3. Malajos, zigzag, side step, nice pass outside. Too strong, Camus rebound. Camus again. Still jump ball. It's Yui ball, Yui. Five minutes. 38 against the 21. Big. Short. Whoa! Labra 23 against the 30. Now 15-point lead on Lasal. 4 minutes and 30. Sugitan. To Regenon. La Piguera. Short. Still by La Piguera. Whoa! La Piguera. 40-23. Back to 17-point lead. Back to Lasal. It's 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Our second game will be University of Iloilo versus FU. Nice break! Short! 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Bang! On Camus, 42 against the 23. Bang! Basket count and one. Now 25-42. Foul on Simbaco. First personal foul on Simbaco. Second on Lasal.
How much total all? Dito? Nasap? RPU, titik? No.
Dalawa! Baba!
Where I send? You know where I send before? I send you. Where? How much? 1.4. Hindi naman. 1.9. How much total? Before total, the YouTube. 1.6.
Wala, sige.
You check the sender.
Short!
I sender. What's up? 1.6 plus 1,070. 1,000 naman sa ito. 1,040.
Time out! On Lasal, it's 27-42.
How much total? 1,040 plus 1,6.
25. Okay, plus 30.
How much?
Okay.
Pedro.
Five the huh?
Same ball. It's Lasal ball.
Don't have 5 dirham. You have 5
10.
dirham?
10. Badin 5.
خلاص بعدين هي you 5. ها؟
Pedro ng balik.
Okay.
40 to shoot. Yes, on Simbaco. It's 44-27. Take the shoot. Wow, rebound on the rest again. Hey, too strong. 14 na sa second 14. 3-second violation on UE. Turnover again on UE. Short.
Uli! Uli! Pensa! Uli! Iyapak yun!
14 to shoot.
Pensa!
Down. 10 to shoot. 1 minute.
Nice one! Yan!
14 is attack clock 14. It's 55 seconds.
Oh, depensa! Depensa! Uli!
10 to shoot.
Pensa! Nice one!
14 is attack clock 14.
Wala!
Wow. Foul on Camus. Third personal foul against Camus. Third team foul on Lasal.
Wala!
28 to 44. It's 41 seconds.
Nice one!
This is just our first game, first match. It's UE versus Lasal, our UAP. Season 4. 35 seconds. Time to shoot.
Nice!
Oh, Sugitan. Wow. Foul on Laura. Lebres. 15 seconds. Too strong. Tap. 5 seconds. Short. Basket count is 44 to 30. Lasal. Our third quarter ready, third quarter.
Third month. Third quarter pa yun.
Ilan kayo? Plus 5 lang, plus 5. Payag na.
Plus 5 yun, plus 5.
Eh, grabe ba?
Now score 35 to 44. 9-point lead now on Lasal. May jump ball tayo, may jump ball. Lasal po, Lasal. And our next match, next game is University of Iloilo versus FEU. And we're alive and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Rebounding Nava. Na Fernandez, back to Nava. Sugitan. Nice move. Too strong. Rebound by Umali. Bulldozer Umali. Sugitan. Bang! On Sugitan. Now 46 to 35. Back to 11-point lead on Lasal. Now Joe. And out, up, Joe again. Short.
Ilang, baba!
9 minutes and 20 seconds. Third quarter, first game and first match for our UAP Season 4 by Basketballista. We're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Umali, foul. Foul on number 7 of UE. First on UE. First team foul on number 7. On Digamo. Nice by Umali. 50. Back-to-back shot by Umali ng 48 to 35. Back to 13 point lead now again by Lasal. Joe, short. Rebound on Simbaco. Looking for Fernandez. Fernandez, high steal. Only getting on one. Nice move. Foul. Foul on Simbaco. Second personal foul on Simbaco. Second first team foul against Lasal. And our next match, next game, it's FU against University of Iloilo. Now 36 to 48. Back to 12-point lead on Lasal. Steal by Joe. Rebound. No, rebound. Nice move. Short. Top. Now Sugitan. It's 2-1. Umali. Oh, Umali. 50 to 36. Back to 14-point lead on Lasal. It's 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Fernandez. Fernandez to Sugitan. Sugitan stop up. Sugitan move short. Rebound on the Richards. Digamo. Again, in that foul. Foul on number 15 on Sugitan. Second team foul on Lasal. First on Sugitan. 14 seconds to shoot. It's wrong. Now Lasal. Now Fernandez. Drive, stop up, pick. Fernandez, hook shot. Too strong again. Top by Simbaco. Nava. Back to Sugitan. 14 na set track at 14. Nava all alone. Too strong. Top again by Simbaco. Nava. Again in and out. Top again by Simbaco. To Fernandez. Fernandez drive. Whoa! Fernandez time out. On it's 52 against the 36. Back to 16-point lead on Lasal. Joe. Too strong. Down. Now Sugitan. Now 3-on-2. Sugitan airplay. Sugitan now 54 to 36. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. 14 to shoot. Nava. 6 minutes. Mali. On number 15. It's 5 minutes and 53 seconds.
Shoot mo, Papa!
55 to 36 is 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Air ball. It's green ball, Lasal ball. And our next game, second match. It's University of Iloilo against FU. Whoa! Umali! 14 is set clock, 14. 10. Air ball. 5 minutes. Nava. In and out. Time out. On Lasal, it's 38 to 55. It's 4 minutes and 48 seconds. UE versus Lasal, first game. Next game and next match. Too strong. Oh, it's too strong. Pass, baseball pass.
Extension.
Wobbling very shit, calling. Four minutes and 10. Javier, fake. Too strong again. Rebound by Nava. To La Peguera. Oh, La Peguera. It's 57 to 38. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Whoa, Javier. 40 to 57.
Huwag mo yung, isang pad.
In and out, Javier again, Javier. Nice ball! One more from UE. Now 42 to 57. Back to 15 point lead on Lasal. It's 3 minutes and 15 seconds. We're live. And alive for our Facebook page on Basketballista. Shout out Carusale. All alone, Camus. Yes, on Camus now 59 against the 42. Short. Top. Nava again. Nava. Short. Nice 3 on 2. Short again, Ribano Joe. Still on La Peguera. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Nice move by Simbaco, 61 to 42. 2 minutes and 10. Foul. Foul on 0-0 on Nava. First on Nava, third on Lasal. It's 1 minute and 46 seconds. Third quarter. First game. First match for our UAP Season 4. Ay Basketballista, ay dos, pass go. 10 to shoot. 44 to 61. 17-point lead on Lasal. It's 1 minute and 20. 14 to shoot. Oh, 46 to 61. 51 seconds. Ow, Simbako. 40 seconds. Warning for penalty on Lasal. Foul on Simbako. Third personal foul on Simbako.
Eh, wala pagkuhan lang desisyon.
30 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Nava! 20 seconds. Oh, Javier! 15 seconds.
Tasyon tayo.
10. Too strong. And up on third quarter score, 66 against the 48. It's all Lasal. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Last quarter.
Atake!
Lasal po, Lasal. Our next game, next match, it's University of Iloilo versus FEU. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Dama! 69 to 48, 21 point in Lasal. Yes, on Javier! 15 to 69. It's 19 point in Lasal, and we are live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. La Figuera. Nava. Subitan. In and out. Rebound on the Richards. It's 8 minutes and 50.
Easy basket.
Easy basket on La Figuera. Now 71 to 50. 21 back to lead by Lasal. Short. Foul. Foul on number 21 on UE. First team foul on UE. First personal foul on Regalo sa Tito Cedebra.
Tao kayo.
8 minutes. Nava. Hernandez. Too strong. He's stepping on the line. On Lasal. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. It's all Lasal. 71 against the 50. Again, back-to-back turnover. La Figuera all alone. La Figuera drive. La Figuera! It's 73 to 50. 23 point lead on Lasal. Short again. 52 to 73.
Tao.
Subitan, foul. Foul on number 1. Second team foul on UE.
The Ratchaman.
Person Rachman. What the ball? Fernandez. Still very ganon. To Nava. Nava now. Pull on chop. Nava. Too strong. Rebound on the return. Stop. It's 2-1. Oh, nice pass. Oh! 2-2. Steal on Subitan. Whoa! Subitan. 75-52. It's 23-point lead on Lasal. Bang! 54-75. La Peguera, 1-1. Side step, 8. Is it 8? Side step, La Peguera! 77-54. 6 minutes.
Akin na!
Steal again by Subitan. Reganon. Back to Subitan. Nice pass. Too strong again. Steal by Nava. Time on UE. It's 78-9-54. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. This is just our first game and first match for our UAP Season 5 by Basketballista. It's Lasal against UE. And we're alive and live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Malajos, the captain. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! All Malajos.
Huwag kayo ng tao, para ano?
Fernandez.
You.
Camos.
Bingo.
Whoa! Small but terrible Camos. 81-57. Subitan agad rebound. Subitan. To Simbako. Looking for Umali. Umali. In and out. 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Wala mo gansa! Defense pa rin!
Short. Foul. First team foul on Lasal. Foul on number 8. On Simbako. Warning on Simbako. Court on Simbako.
Igagawin mo na! Para sumasayan!
Now Fernandez. Camos. Nice. Still on the UA shirts. Now 4 minutes. Libre. Too strong. Three-second violation on UA. Substitution of Sabret. Simbako out. The captain in. Next game, next match, it's UFU. Foul.
Tira mo, Brem! Tira mo! Para ikaw ang MVP!
13 foul on UE. It's 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Sabi dito, kasi sabi, wait,
Dalawang tres!
Ito yan,
Dalawang
lang.
tres!
Maya Sergio, maya.
Basta makashot ng tres to, MVP, 5 points, 10 rebounds. 5 assists.
3 minutes and 23 seconds. It's all. Wala. Basket counter ba? Basket substitution. Basket substitution.
Bakit ganyan? Short mo ata yun eh. Mapapashoot yung sa akin. Yung tres. Lalimay. Tres lang yan. Shoot lang!
3 minutes! Whoa! La 59-21. It's UE 59, Lasal 81.
Kaya napapagod. Kaya napapagod. Eh! Kaya napapagod.
Black, Pasibitan.
Ayun na, diretso mo!
Ganon.
Oo! Wala yung sige. Pati yung referee, wala.
14 to shoot, 14. Substitution there, sub-rep. Warning for penalty on UE.
Nakasama yan, binangga.
Good, dalawa.
Wala, hindi talaga matagagay. Huwag tayo magbago. Oo. Ba't tayo bago sapatos eh? MVP yan. Yanis eh.
Yes, now 61-81, 20-point on Lasal.
Vamos! Press! Paano, hindi nakapagay?
1 minute and 50 seconds. (81 to 61), 83 against 61. Favor of Lasal. It's 1 minute and 38 seconds. Now 63-83, 1 minute and 20.
Friend, tira mo! Tres, tongkak! Yan, wala. Yan.
14 to shoot.
Ayan na. Pasa kasi ng pasa eh.
10. One minute.
Friend, tira mo! Sumuot dito eh. Sige ba, friend! May friend ka na!
Now 65 to 83. 45 seconds.
Kamos muna, bigay mo kay Kamos, tapos ibalik lang sa'yo. Tira muna. Pabasa niya. Ayan na. Stop.
35 seconds.
Ayan na. Ay, suka ka.
Traveling variation, traveling. 25 seconds, 25.
Tira na. Oo, bakit tinira? Na, bahala ka dyan. Tira ka ng tres. Tira dong! Oh my God!
5 seconds.
Bakit ko na?
And on the game, our winner, Lasal. It's 6-8-5.